You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this city in France. If you want to learn more French vocabulary, more names of famous places, stay tuned. In French, it's pronounced as Cambrai. So it's a very specific en sound, okay? It's not that the M is silent, it's that AM forms the sound en. Cambrai. Cambrai. You could say in English Cambrai. Cambrai from French. Cambrai. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.